Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tara from unicorndreams05. I sell on Etsy and I also sell on Poshmark. I'm going to talk about Etsy first. So I've been on Etsy since 2017. I pulled the trigger. It took me a while to do that because, Etsy takes a portion of the proceeds, just like any online seller you go to would. And Etsy, for those of you who don't know, you sell homemade goods on their store. And I sell jewelry and I love taking photography, so I also have some photography for sale on my Etsy page. Again, unicorndreams05 is my shop name on Etsy.com. And I'll provide other links on the bottom later at the end of the video. I sell all over the website, and so I will speak about that, tips, tricks, and lessons I learned. And I was so excited to get my first sale, and then I was like, oh my gosh, what do I do? How do I package this? How do I get this shipped? How do I get a label? So I copied down the customer's information. Not the smartest thing to do, but I lesson learned there. And then I went to my UPS store because my local post office, it's not the nicest people. They are grumpy, freaking little grouches. And they're supposed to be helping people. Not so much. And I've dealt with the UPS before, and they go through the postal service, and they've been really nice. The lady put my package through USPS. And I'm like, no, I don't want that. I want a tracking number. And she did give me a tracking number, and I realized at the USPS store, the postal parts store, you have to ask for that tracking number. And some stores just give it to you, but not mine because they were grumps. Y'all, grumpy people. So I got my package out, paid for my own shipping. It was a pair of earrings, no big deal. Second sale, I did the same thing. Probably shouldn't have. And then I realized, hey, Etsy, on their website, you can download their own labels. Pretty cool. Oh, and the package I used to ship it in was a poly mailer from Walmart. And I paid like 99 cents for a couple of those to ship it. And it was just a small letter size, no big deal. Fits in the mailbox if I wanted to. I could have had it shipped from my house, but I didn't know. I didn't do that. And so the last couple of sales, I used Etsy's label, and that worked out pretty well. However, you have to pay for the label. Also, Etsy takes a portion of what you sell out as their commission. I didn't know that. My label cost more than the item I sold, so I need to jack up my Etsy prices so I can make some dough, y'all. But I love it. I'm still on it, and it's a lot of fun. And I'm still learning. It's a learning curve. And then I decided I want to sell my clothes instead of giving them to Goodwill. Nothing against Goodwill, y'all. I love Goodwill. But a lot of my clothes are practically brand new. And I'm thinking, man, I can make money instead of just giving them away. So I decided I'm going to sell on Poshmark. And that's another video for another time. However, if you want to check out my Etsy page and my other shops that I'm on, look at the bottom. I'll post them. If you like the video and want to learn more about selling online, including Poshmark, like my YouTube channel and subscribe. I'll make some more videos about it. Hope to see you soon. Bye.